Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, guys, I just wanna cover the Bluetooth scenario that we have discussed in the previous session. There was a small mistake that I have communicated, so I just wanna give you a clarification on that. If you have a look into this the Bluetooth function that we created in the previous session, right? It has a Bluetooth tab. Additionally, there is a turn off, right? So why this turn off comes into the picture? I just wanna give you some clarity on it. See, in certain mobiles, whenever you're turning off a particular Bluetooth, right, by checking that particular checkbox, or the switch basically, a small prompt will come up. Are you sure you want to turn it off? Whenever that prompt comes into the picture, then only this will work. For suppose at the time of turning off that particular Bluetooth, right, if this pop-up doesn't comes into the picture, your script will fail. That's the reason what I am doing right now means I'm just updating this line in such a way that if this exists, if the turn off button is exist, then only perform the click operation. So this is a small correction on that particular Bluetooth. If the pop-up comes into the picture, this will handle. If it not comes into the picture, it will ideally turn off the Bluetooth and it will wait for a few seconds and then it will terminate the app, guys. Okay, this is a small correction on top of that Bluetooth script. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.